friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a khichdi with leftover rice. So we are going to effectively use the leftover rice and make a healthy and tasty khichdi for your dinner. The leftover rice that you have got at home, which is left over during the lunch, you can utilize for this recipe. And this is very simple, tasty, yet it looks delicious to the eyes, and people will not know at your home that this is done through leftover rice. So you can utilize your leftover rice like this. Let's see the ingredients required to make this khichdi. So I'm taking leftover rice 1 bowl, moong dal 1 cup, carrot 1 chopped, beans 10 to 15 numbers chopped, palak half a cup finely chopped. For tempering, let's see the ingredients. Mustard 1/4 teaspoon, jeera 1/4 teaspoon, urad dal half a teaspoon, red chilies 2 to 3. Now for spicing, let's take salt 1 spoon, green chilies 3 to 4 numbers, pepper powder 1 spoon. You can alter the spice levels based on your interest. Take a pressure cooker, add 1 spoon of oil, and let's add the tempering ingredients. First I'm adding urad dal, followed by mustard and cumin seeds, and these tempering ingredients, they'll have to splutter before we add the main ingredients. Always your tempering ingredients has to fry well, and it should not be overcooked, neither it should be undercooked, because this would give the actual flavor for your khichdi. Now I'm adding curry leaves. So this curry leaf will also give you a very good flavor to your khichdi. Now I'm adding 1 cup of moong dal to this. You just have to roast your moong dal in the tempering ingredients. It's not necessary that you'll have to wash and then roast it. You just have to remove any kind of stones or any kind of particles that's there in the moong dal. Just dry roast it along with this tempering ingredients, so that it gives you a nice flavor for the khichdi. Now I'm adding green chilies to this, and again green chilies is basis your spice levels. So I'm adding only 2 ingredients to spice up this khichdi. One is green chili and one is pepper. So in case you're making this specifically for kids, you don't have to add green chilies, just add the pepper powder. Now I'm adding chopped beans. Sort it once before you add the chopped carrots. I'm adding chopped carrots. Sort it well so that it mixes with the moong dal and everything before we are going to add the palak to this. So this leftover rice khichdi, it tastes really fresh, and it's hard that people will not leave a bit in the cooker once you start serving this. So this way you can save the rice that you have that is left over during your lunch, and you don't have to waste food which is happening. So I'm going to show you other recipes also with leftover rice, chapatis, idlis, which you can utilize. Now I'm adding palak to this and giving a nice stir. So this way we can effectively manage our financial conditions, plus you don't have that guilt that you're wasting food at home. Because sometimes what happens is, unfortunately, you make a little extra quantity where people end up not eating, and the rice goes a waste. The next day when you throw this rice, you feel really guilty about wasting food. So these are some kitchen hacks which you can use. I'm adding 4 glasses of water. So for 1 cup of moong dal and 1 bowl of rice, I'm adding 4 glasses of water. So after adding water, it'll have to come to a boil before you add turmeric and the pepper. I'm adding salt before that. So I'm added 1 spoon of salt. In case you need as per your levels, you can even add after you pressure cook it. At the end, when you add a spoon of ghee, you can also check the salt and add the required amount of salt. Now I'm adding half a spoon of turmeric powder. And 1 spoon of pepper powder. So this pepper actually gives a good flavor, and whenever you're not feeling well or something, when you take this khichdi with this pepper, it feels nice down your throat, and it'll also help in good digestion, because moong dal helps in good digestion, and the rice in moong dal, which is very soft, makes you feel comfortable when you eat, and it goes very nicely down the throat. When you're not sick or it's a tiresome day, you have this, it's really refreshing. So now this is coming to a boil. At this stage, we'll mix everything evenly, and let's add the leftover rice to this. So mix it evenly so that the turmeric, pepper, and the spice gets evenly added. So I'm not adding any chili powder and all to this, because the flavor of this khichdi, the vegetables and everything would not be so nice when you add chili powder, dhania powder, and all that. So let's make it a little pleasant with your pepper and the chili flavor in this, because we are adding palak also. Palak and chili powder actually doesn't go well. Now I'm going to add the leftover rice to this. So I've taken 1 cup of leftover rice. I'm just adding to this. I'm going to mix it once, and finally add coriander leaves on top, and we are going to cover the pressure cooker. So I'm going to cover this with a lid and leave it for 3 whistles. So 3 whistles are done. Now I'm going to open the cooker. See, it's very nice, and the flavor, when I smell it, it's very refreshing. And now add a spoon of ghee. And mix it well. So at this stage, you can also check your salt in case the required amount of salt is there. So if the salt is not sufficient, you can add salt at this stage. I'm getting a nice flavor of this, khichdi, the vegetables, the pepper flavor, a nice soupy flavor I'm getting when I smell it. So your khichdi is ready to serve. You can serve this, hot, garnish it with little coriander leaves on top, and you can serve this hot. This khichdi can be made by anybody. Even kids can make this once you show them how to make this. It's very simple. It's very refreshing. Try this and definitely share your comments. And for more recipes, please subscribe to my channel. See you again in one more video. Thank you. Bye-bye.